Tesla and BYD are changing the future of cars. Um, Both dominate the electric vehicle world, but they follow very different paths. Today, you'll discover shocking facts that explain what truly separates Tesla from BYD. Tesla was founded in the United States, BYD was founded in China. Tesla focuses on software and innovation. BYD focuses on mass production. Tesla sells premium electric cars. BYD sells electric cars for all price levels. BYD builds its own batteries. Tesla often buys batteries from partners. BYD started as a battery company. This gave it a strong advantage. Tesla leads in self-driving technology. Its software updates improve cars over time. BYD focuses on reliability and scale. Millions of vehicles are produced every year. Tesla sells fewer cars than BYD, but Tesla earns more profit per car. BYD dominates electric buses worldwide. Tesla focuses mainly on passenger cars. Tesla builds cars in fewer factories. BYD operates many factories across China. Tesla relies on global branding. BYD relies on government and domestic demand. Tesla cars feel futuristic. BYD cars focus on practicality. BYD sells more electric vehicles globally. Tesla remains the most famous EV brand. Both companies push electric adoption, both threaten traditional car makers. The EV race is far from over. Tesla and BYD represent two futures, one driven by software and innovation, the other driven by scale and efficiency. Both are reshaping transportation.